Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking my Goldwing to Costco to fill my tires with Nitrofill. All Costco's have these stations and there's no charge for the Nitrofill, and I don't even think you have to be a member because there's no place where you scan your card. So just basically pull up and fill away. The way it works is you kind of set the tire pressure on the machine and then just kind of clip in the little valve, and it automatically, while it stays clipped to your tire, will inflate to your preset tire pressure. So in this case, I was aiming for about, I think, 36 in the front, 41 in the back. So when I decided to check on YouTube, I didn't see anyone else that was doing this, so I thought it might be helpful. I'm not a professional mechanic or a tire repair person, so I'm just doing this based on what I think would work. Basically, I would deflate the tires several times, and you have to keep it at above 15 psi, because if you go below 15 psi, the machine won't work. And yeah, my dumbass actually went below 15 psi, so I had to have the guy at the shop kind of help me with his hose inside to get me up to 15 psi, and then I was able to use the system. So basically, what you do is deflate your tire to like 15 or 20 psi, and then inflate it, and then repeat this process like 3 or 4 times. So theoretically, this should get your tires as close to 100% with Nitrofill as possible. I guess if you have your tires off and you take them into the shop, they'll be able to like fully remove all the air and then do this process. But I just wanted to do it this way. I don't want to kind of, remove tires or make an appointment to get in there. And I know they're pretty busy, so without an appointment, you won't be able to get in there for like a week sometimes. So basically what I've done is the front tire first and then the back tire, and I just kind of keep checking the pressures, and the whole process was pretty easy. So I have Nitrofill in my minivan and it works pretty well. I have lost 0 psi over the course of like 1 year, and it seems to stay more stable when it's hot or cold, so you don't have to kind of worry about it as much. So I'm hoping with the Nitrofill and the Goldwing, it'll kind of be a little bit more safe than regular air. But I don't know, let me know your thoughts about it and what you're running, and if you have a better way to do this, or if I could have done it differently, just feel free to comment, let me know. And if you do go to the Costco to get this done, try to get there before they open, because I was there right as they were opening, so there was like a line of cars that were behind me to kind of get this done. And it does take a little while because you have to kind of put up in a kickstand, and you have to kind of get under it to do the process. So it's going to take you about maybe, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes versus a regular car. You can have the whole car done in like a minute and be out of there. So just kind of be mindful of other people that might be waiting. So that's about it. Everything worked out fine. I rode away. I checked the pressures when I got home, and everything seemed fine. So that's about it. So everyone, thanks for watching. Take care and ride safe.